Alrighty, we are at Wichita Raceway Park for a little test and tune action. We got the new transmission installed. Trying to make sure, see if we got the issue remedied. We've been battling this freaking something forever. So, fingers crossed we got it. They're getting the track prepped right now. We're gonna make a few hits here in a few moments and we'll see right away. What the heck is you freaking doing in this? Harry?
Trying to steal your car?
Harry Burrito, you gonna steal my racing car?
Yeah.
That wouldn't be very nice. Got our tech card already. Oh, got your family out here today. About ready to make our first hit. Yo, say hey to everybody.
Hi there.
First pass was pretty solid. We had to turn down a lot compared to Yellow Belly, and it went faster than Yellow Belly, so that's promising. So we'll turn it up from there, and we'll see if it takes it. We'll see what happens on the next pass. Oh, it's time for Dad to make a pass. Hey, Dad, you gonna make an all-motor pass?
Yes, sir.
All motor.
All motor.
Oh, make it fucking motor, boy. Whoa, what the freak was that? We looked at the moon, boy. How's that? Make a quick few adjustments real quick, and we'll go back and try that again. That's good. Forward progress is good. Even though forward is up, doesn't matter. We're still going forward. Oh, what's up, buddy?
We're gonna ride 650.
Let's get it. I think the converter is now converting though, so we just gotta get the wheelie out of it, and I think she's gonna ride. So it definitely has that missing power, not missing power, but missing getting it to the ground. So I think we got that figured out. We'll see what happens on this next pass.
I'm like gapping my stock Mustang.
Oh, who you gapping?
Anybody.
Oh, all right then. Go gap you, Dad. You hear that? That's horsepower.
That's tires. That's money. Fuck your tires.
Yeah.
She doesn't.
You ain't getting to work on
She
Monday.
doesn't pay for the tires.
You ain't going to work Monday because they ain't got no tires. They ain't got no gas in it. I think it's gonna go 9:30.
It's gonna be slow.
That's not bad though. happened, bro? Still a little too spicy. Can't get the motherfucker from wheeling. Wheelied right into the fucking wall. Sheesh. At least the damage is minimal. We'll put that 3-wheel video in there. Yeah, it's a 1-wheel thug. That motherfucker was 3 wheels in the air. A little 3-wheel motion. Hey, can you reenact that with your wheelchair real quick? We scraped the front end a little bit. We got the tire pushed back a little bit. Probably bent the control arm. Door's fine. Just scrape. Little scrape there. Little scrape there. Surprisingly, not too bad. Oh my gosh, wait, she not like you sticky, she like it that fucking wheelie, man. I could not, the struts are all the way tight, and it's as low as it'll go. So we put some limiters on it and reevaluate. We're gonna do some sticky racing, but we're gonna get it fixed. I think we're gonna primarily focus on some, no prep dirt road racing, because that's where this thing is. Basically, that's what this car is intended for. Like we built this thing to go dirt road racing, and we're trying to sticky race. So, it's a fact, babe. That was a little scary?
A little.
We just barely kissed the wall. Just a
little.
Fine, we're good. No harm, no foul. Anyway, yeah, we'll reevaluate. Like I said, we got the power back we've been missing, so we're stoked about that. Thanks, Freak Show. Big shout out, Freak Show Performance. Definitely got the trans working the way it should, I believe. For the couple passes, we were able to get it in high gear, but the converter, everything, I mean, it just 60's way better. You can really feel that it's not really pushing through, I feel before it was blowing through the converter, and I think we got her now, so we'll get her fixed up and stay tuned. We'll probably get a little dirt road testing in and hopefully hit the next no prep event. As always, we appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, and share.